Still here in at the airport right now. My flight will be 3 o'clock p.m. I'm just traveling locally right now. Oh, hello to my subscribers out there. And what time is it? 1:45. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Hi to Aiden, to Gail, to Seco, to my friends in Tacloban. See you tonight, guys. Marmot is streaming live from Manila. I've been here in the Philippines for 5 months now. I'm just trying to enjoy, you know, life in here. Living simple but healthy and happy, of course. Anyway, thank you for all my subscribers out there.